Okay, so here's another method of distributing images or graphics frames across a page, and that's called live distributing. These are all workaround shortcut tricks that really help you to build up speed in your production. I'm going to go to File and Open, and on my Chapter 3, I will go to Folder 11, and I have this InDesign page. I'm eventually going to put 4 photos on here, but all I have is one picture frame. Okay, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to hold Option key, make a copy over here. I'll let go of just the Option key. Now I'll hit the up arrow twice, so we use super step and repeat, and I'll let go of the mouse. And now I have 4 picture frames. Okay, I'm going to click outside. I don't want any of them selected. And I'll hit Command D for a document. Inside Chapter 3, I'll go to Folder 11. And I'm going to select all 4 of those photos. When I click Open, I'm just going to click the center of each box and drop in these 4 photos. Okay, but now that I look at that page layout, and I'll hit W so we don't have to look at all the outlines, I don't like the spacing between these. Okay, I wish they were a little closer together. So what I'm going to use is something called Live Distribute. So I'm going to select all 4. I'm going to go on the bottom right corner and press and hold. I'm not going to click and drag. I'm just going to press and hold for a second. Now I hold down my space bar and I can affect the distribution of these objects connected to each other. I didn't want to do that. So if I'm starting on the lower right, I have to go down lower. I can't flip it up because then they're going to flip upside down. But if I start on this lower right, I can squeeze the spacing together like that. I can pull and step them down like this, overlap and cascade them like that. Okay, but the idea is you select all the artwork, go to your lower right corner, press and hold for a second without moving, then hold the space bar, and now you can redistribute the spaces. So I could do it like that, or if I change my mind, press and hold my space bar and pull them back apart. Okay, that's another way to do it. If I start with the upper right corner, press and hold, now hold space bar, I could do it this way. That kind of comes out opposite of what I was trying to do, but I could do it. Okay, but I've always found that I tend to work from the lower right corner. Press and hold space bar, and redistribute. Okay, that is live distributing here in InDesign.